good morning, good morning. It is Friday, April the 25th. I'm off work today, but I have to take my brother somewhere around 9 a.m. So I got up early this morning and a spark just came through. 3 drop-offs, 3 homes for $43.74. That's a nice size payout. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up this spark delivery. And like I was telling you guys in another video, my goal every day is $44, but I have to work for 30 days straight to make my goal of $768. But like I said, some days, if I can make more than that, that way I don't have to work every day, that'll be great. Let's go get this over. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart. I'm going to get spot 31.
Turn left.
All right, we have all 3 deliveries. And the first delivery is how far? Let's see. "21 minutes away." And that's why it's such a big payout.
Southeast.
For only 3 drop-off. And they don't have many items because we're going over to another city over the water. But that's okay. I can use the drive this morning. And like I said, we out here to make our goal. That's what we out here. We're out here to make a goal. And I just looked at my car payment, and I don't owe a payment until, let's see, January, February, March, April, May, June. Yep, until June. So, but what I'm going to do, every time I do Poplin, it's going to the car note. Because we're getting this car down. We're going to try to get at least an extra 6 months to a year paid off this month. An extra 6 months to a year paid off this month. So, let's go do this delivery. Okay, guys, you see how the house is situated? I'll have to walk around there to get to the front of the house. So you're not going to pretty much see much me delivering this. But so sorry about that. So let me go ahead and deliver these people their groceries. Sorry about that, but we're on our way to our next one. She has some route, but let me see how far so I can get out these people's driveway, and then I'll let you know. The next delivery is 11 minutes away. Let's go. And I saw that she had a little bit of rules. I mean, not rules, but well, it is rules, but instructions.
Head west on Beale Avenue toward Edgewood Drive.
So let's go. Guys, we're getting the boondocks down. Look at where we at in the woods. I wouldn't want to live way back here in the woods. Still driving. It's very woody back here. But I'm assuming this is the house we're coming up to. Alright, this is the house, guys. Alright, guys. We delivered it. I was having issues with the internet. Let me get out of here. I was having issues with the internet because it's in this wooded area. And now we're going to another place, which I hope I don't have an issue getting in, because it says something about a call box, and if I have issues to call someone named Gerard, but hopefully we can get through that gate and drop these people their stuff off. But I mean, I like the country life, but not like this. Not in the woods like this, where the internet ain't giving you issues.
1,000 feet, slight right.
But anyway, we got one more delivery, so let's drop it off. Going right back down this long road. All right, guys, we're on the last delivery. I just love the country. I do, and I'm glad I made this country drive this morning. I just don't like to be, like I said, in wooded areas, because that makes it hard for, you know, like I was having issues with my internet. But let me go ahead and deliver this, and I'll be right back. That's when I was out delivering. I got out to deliver this.
Head north on State Route 654, Carroll Bridge Road toward Elwyn Kessler Lane.
I didn't even know there was a dog out there. Thank God he seemed like he's a nice dog, because he just looking. And it was, as a matter of fact, it's a couple of dogs, but I just noticed that big one when I was out. But so we got another delivery coming in. Let's see what it is. It was a shopping for $12, but right now I just want to do curbside until later. Guys, I just picked up a Spark order for $9.57. So I'm on my way to pick that up now. All right, guys.
Then your destination will be on the right.
I guess we're going to get 31 again. All right, guys. The first delivery is to a house. And it is, see how far it is. 8 minutes away. Let's get it. Not gonna be able to see this one because it's another house that has no driveway on a pretty busy street, so I'm gonna have to park. I have a couple of houses up and deliver their items, so I'll be back. All right, we delivered that to the house. Now our next delivery is to an apartment, and it is 4 minutes away. So let's go. morning. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. It is
At the light, turn right onto
6:42.
Todd's Lane.
It is 6:42 a.m. I just picked up our Spark delivery. There's 3 drop-offs. I know there's at least 2 apartments for
Quarter mile,
night.
turn left
Hold on.
onto-
GPS keeps going off. For $19.50. What is it? $19.59? Hold on. Yeah, for $19.59. And I believe it was 3 apartments, if I'm not mistaken.
At the light,
Well,
turn left
anyway,
onto Wheelton
we're
Road.
on our way to pick up this delivery, and then we'll be on our way to work by 8 o'clock. So come along with me. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart. We're in spot 2. So let me just wait for my delivery. Wow, she just put it in there and just walked off. All right, the first one, we have 1, 2, all 3 is apartments. So the first one is... How far? It's 7 minutes away. Let's go. Sorry about that. Yep, wasn't able to see that one because how the apartment was situated, but now we're on our way to our next delivery, which is 9 minutes away, and it's another house. Let's go.
Turn right onto Adams Drive.
Sorry again, guys, I can't face the apartment that I'm going to. The apartment that you see in front of me is not the building that I need to go in, but there's no other parks, so I have to park here, and I'll be right back when I'm done. Guys, I think I did find a park in front of the building. The building I was looking at is not the building, but I think I found a park. Let's go. Guys, we're on our way to the last one, and I believe also you're not going to be able to see me deliver this one also because it's
Head
behind.
east toward Heidenwood Drive, then turn right on.
It's behind another building where I have to deliver to, but it's another apartment, and it is 8 minutes away. So let's go drop off the last delivery. Then hopefully I have some time to stop by the store before I have to be to work at 8 o'clock. All right, guys, where you're looking at those 2 tree stumps, I have to go in between there in the back to deliver this last order. So I'll be back. Delivery has been completed. It is 7:37, and I'm gonna stop by the store right quick, pick up something. I want some ice cream. That's what I want. So, and then I'm gonna take the ice cream to work with me and eat it for my snack. So, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video now. I hope you have a wonderful, blessed Saturday. And always keep God first. And I'll see you guys in the next video.